In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an entry in Zoho Books. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure you can manage your financial records with ease and precision. To start, you'll need to navigate to the banking module within your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where all your financial transactions are housed, providing you with an overview of your various accounts. Once you're in the banking module, the next move is to select the specific bank account where your transaction is recorded. This step is crucial as it helps narrow down your search, making it easier to locate the exact transaction you want to delete. After selecting the appropriate bank account, you will be directed to the All Transactions view. In the All Transactions view, your focus should shift to the tab labeled Manually Added. This section categorizes transactions that you've entered manually, distinguishing them from those automatically synced from your bank. Switching to this tab helps in streamlining your search. Once you're in the Manually Added tab, your task is to locate the transaction you wish to delete. It might help to use the search or filter functions available, which allow you to quickly find the specific entry based on criteria like date, amount, or description. Efficiently locating the transaction saves time and ensures accuracy. When you've found the transaction, look for the delete icon associated with it. Clicking this icon initiates the deletion process. Be sure to double-check that you've selected the right transaction to avoid any unintended data loss. Upon clicking the delete icon, Zoho Books will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step is a safeguard, ensuring that you indeed want to proceed with removing the transaction permanently from your records. When prompted, confirm the deletion to finalize the process. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted an entry in Zoho Books. Remember, managing your financial records carefully is essential to maintaining accurate accounts and making informed business decisions. Whether you're correcting an error or simply organizing your data, knowing how to efficiently remove an entry is a handy skill to possess in your accounting toolkit. If you have any questions, don't forget to consult the support resources available in Zoho Books, as they can provide additional assistance and tips tailored to your specific needs. I hope this guide has been helpful, empowering you to take control of your financial records smoothly and effectively. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.